Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, went on to be the Ultimate Gardener. Come join me in becoming an Ultimate Gardener day by day. So Ultimate Gardeners, in today's exciting sprouting video, we're going to be discussing only about the giveaway details, which there's going to be 4 lucky winners for this giveaway for celebrating 3,000 subscribers. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Coming into our very first winner, they'll be receiving a Proplugger from the Proplugger company, as well as a few seed packets from the Plant Good Seed company as well. The following varieties are going to list up upon the screen for you guys to check out, but that's going to be for giveaway winner number 1. Coming into our second winner is going to be a 15-gallon Smart Pots container from the Smart Pot company, as well as a $50 seed certificate from Baker Creek. So those are the items that are going to be gifted to giveaway winner number 2. Coming at the giveaway winner number 3, you'll be receiving the Vitality and a Worm Tea set from Vermisterra. And you'll also be winning a plastic connectors from Magidome, which is a beautiful structure that I've tested out in my garden. And they work beautifully, and I'll show you guys a photo up on the screen for you guys, as well as any products mentioned. So that's for giveaway winner number 3. Coming at number 4, which is our winner number 4, you'll be receiving a Monstera from Tropical Plants of Florida. An amazing company that provides great quality plants out there from home gardeners out there to enjoy in their garden. And a Monstera is a beautiful plant to grow indoors or outdoors depending on where you live. So that is for giveaway winner number 4. What are the details to enter this giveaway? They're super easy and super simple as well. You have to like this video, you have to be subscribed to the Ultimate Gardening channel in order to enter, and you have to comment down below what are your favorite products in the garden to use. So a few more details on this giveaway is that it's only open to US residents only. I've been trying to get an international giveaway along for you guys, but I've not been able to do it due to shipping costs rising, so we're only able to do US residents currently. Number 2 is that this giveaway does end on January 29th, the year 2023, so make sure you put your submissions in before that date. Coming at number 3 is that this giveaway is only being hosted on YouTube, not even on Instagram, neither on Facebook. So no entries will be accepted on either or platforms, only on YouTube, and you'll be contacted with a reply. And if you don't answer that reply within a span of 48 hours, a new winner will be chosen until we get a winner that replies through. So that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video, you guys. That's all the details on the 3,000 celebration on this giveaway. Hopefully you guys found this video very entertaining, because I had fun filming this video and gathering the details for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you guys all again for 3,000 subscribers. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you want to support this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Leave me any video suggestions or also what you thought on this video on the comment section below, because I'll gladly do your video suggestions. That's gonna be it. May God bless you and your entire family, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.